Hi, I'm John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy for Global Real Estate School, and thanks for joining this 5-minute real estate exam tip. And I've got a definition you need to know to pass the real estate exam. So first, let me just remind you to be sure and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's really important that you do that. Click the little alert button because I'm giving you information and content that will help you pass the real estate exam. And not only that, if you are a licensed real estate agent or after you get your license, I'm doing some webinars and some training that will help you grow your real estate business as well. So you've got to subscribe to the channel and you'll get all of the updates by doing that. Now, I want to talk to you about a definition. And sometimes I know we take for granted a lot that people know every kind of definition or word that's out there. And so we might just think that someone else understands that the word Inc., I-N-C period, means that a business is incorporated. But not everybody understands or knows that. So I want to talk to you about a word called grandfather. And if you were to see the word grandfather, or if something was grandfathered into the city zoning or the city limits, in other words, if something was there in place prior to zoning, we know that is called a non-conforming use. But if you were to see the words grandfather, or if something was grandfathered in other words, they allowed that apartment building to remain in a residential location after zoning came into place. Well, that would be a non-conforming use, but the property was actually what we call grandfathered in. In other words, you don't have to go back and you get to go on and use the property the way that you've always been using it, or your land that you own is grandfathered in because it was always applied in that certain situation before zoning existed. Okay, so I just wanted to throw out a word that some people, 90% of us, 80% of us may already know what that word means. However, there's always some folks, and that's okay, that may not pick up on that. So I wanted to just kind of bring that to your attention. Make sure you understand that grandfathered or a grandfather clause means they're going to allow you to go ahead and continue to use the property in the same manner that you've always used that. And the other word for that on the examination is called a non-conforming use. So don't forget that. Non-conforming use, grandfathered, same thing. And it's just good for us to go over terminology like that because from time to time, you may know a word that I have no idea what that word is and vice versa. But I want to make sure that you pass that real estate exam on the first attempt. Now, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. We are also on Facebook. And we also have an Amazon Alexa skill. You can check that out as well. But go over to globalrealestateschool.com. We have some great flashcards, digital flashcards. You can download those to your phone, take them wherever you want to go. And we also have some practice exams that can help you pass the real estate exam on the first attempt. Well, I'm at 4 minutes and 14 seconds. And this is a 5-minute real estate exam tip. So I'm going to wrap up right here and remind you again, grandfathered in to the zoning means you get to go ahead and use it the way you've always used it. It's also another name for a non-conforming use. Hey, thanks for watching this 5-minute YouTube video. Go out and make it a great day.